One of the things that we talk about is act like you're repairing your mom's car. How would you do it? What would you want to do, and how proud would you want to be when you presented it back to her?
When a customer drops off at the collision center, generally it's not a positive experience for them. So we're trying to create a positive result. So we're trying to be proactive to get the insurance side of it handled, get them in a rental car if necessary, and expedite repairs and get them back in their vehicle with as painlessly as possible.
The repairs that we can handle range from hail, where we can in many cases do paintless dent repair, to a parking lot fender bender, all the way to a structural repair, which in many cases requires welding. And one of the other unique things about our repair shop is that we are General Motors certified to repair the new mid-engine Corvette. And structurally, they will not sell parts to many collision centers because they're not certified, but we've met both the training and the equipment standards so that we are, and we can do those repairs. ICAR is the collision industry standards for both training as well as repair. And one of the unique things about our collision department is we've been ICAR certified for 25 years in a row.
I smile with the successes of my employees and my technicians when they've achieved their goals, and I smile when our customers are smiling throughout the process, and especially when they pick their vehicle up after repairs and they're smiling, they're happy, they're thankful, and you can walk away proud that you've done a good job.
We just celebrated a 35-year anniversary for one of the technicians. Our body shop manager, Joey Walker, he's been here 30 years. We've got several team members that have been here over 20 years, and I would say the average is probably about 10 years. So we've got a very experienced team, not only in the industry, but people that are entrenched and invested in Huffines as well.